Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the basics out of the way fast. Update your switch system and connect it to a stable Wi-Fi network so the app runs smoothly. Once done, open Nintendo eShop, search YouTube, and install the official app. This ensures you have the right client and codecs. You want updates applied because they fix playback and login issues. Make sure your Nintendo account is active, then return to the home menu and launch YouTube to begin setup. You now link your account so content and subscriptions appear. Launch the YouTube app and choose Sign In. The app displays a short activation code. On your phone or computer, go to YouTube.com/activate and enter that code, then approve access. This links your profile without typing email on the switch. Once authorized, your subscriptions, recommendations, and playlists populate the app. This is safer and faster than manual entry, and it avoids controller typing while giving you synced, personalized content. You finish by testing playback and adjusting settings as needed. Play a video and switch to full screen. Use the controller or touchscreen for play, pause, and seeking. If videos buffer, open the app settings and lower quality to 720p or 480p to stabilize streaming. This reduces bandwidth and latency. If you hit troubles, app crashes or login errors, sign out and sign back in or restart your switch. That simple reset often clears cached state and fixes stubborn issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.